be talking about ramp up and ramp down and why it's so important. So let's begin where we left off last time at ramp up and ramp down. So ramping up makes the robot speed up gradually at the beginning of a move block, like steering or tank. And this means that the robot will gradually get faster and faster until it gets to the speed where you want it to be at for the rest of the move. And for ramp down, it makes the robot brake gradually at the end, so it gets slower and slower, just like the ramp up block, but in opposite. And this happens so that the robot won't suddenly start or suddenly stop, which throws off the accuracy, and this will help make your programs more accurate and more reliable. So with the ramp up and ramp down, you might see the robot jerk at the beginning or end. And the robot will still adjust its motor after brake to reach that target rotation sensor value, but this may be still less accurate. So that's why you need ramp up and ramp down. So here's the data for ramping up and down. So move 2 rotations, green line, incorporates ramp up and ramp down to nicely stops after 2 rotations. And as you see here, here's the bump at the top, and that occurs when there is an orange line right there as well. So as you see, the orange line has a hard stop, which causes the robot to go past 2 rotations and then back up, which causes the bump, as you see here. So the orange line does not have ramp up or ramp down, and this one does. So as you can see, this one's a lot smoother and continues the flow, as with this one, it sort of bumps back up at the graph because it doesn't have a smooth stop, it has this hard stop. So this is how you do ramp up or move and wait. So as you see here, you can follow these programming blocks and copy it down in Lego Mindstorms. And here's move to rotation for helping that. So we have finished different ways to move. As you can see, we have regulated power, synchronized motors, and ramp up versus ramp down. And regulated power is in 3 of these, synchronized motors in 2 of these, and ramp up / ramp down is in 2 of these as well. And next time we'll be learning about moving degrees versus seconds. So be sure to stay tuned for that video. And as always, it's been BuilderBro07. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and build on, and see you in the next video. Peace!